Welcome to a day in my life as a mompreneur. It begins at 4:20 when the alarm reminds me it's time to rise. Tahajjud, my quiet conversation with Allah where I pour out everything I carry. The Quran gives me strength, verse by verse. It fills the emptiness in my heart. The call to Fajr breaks the silence. Prayer is not my escape. It is my anchor. It steadies me before the day unfolds. By 6 a.m., I'm already in mom mode, sending my children to madrasa with duas tucked into their bag. Breakfast to cook, all our meals are pre planned. My kitchen becomes the first battlefield of the day. Then I prepare their tiffins and then I prepare their milk. By the time they return, they finish their milk, and just like that, the house grows quiet as my children leave for school. I steal a short nap with my little one later, a stolen moment of rest before the next storm. By mid morning, I switch roles from mother to entrepreneur, meetings, strategies, decisions. Today, I step out for an event from the auto ride to walking through the doors. Every moment feels like a reminder. Once upon a time, I knew nothing of this world. Back then, my life was limited to home, children, and survival. Now I sit in rooms where ideas are shared, businesses are built, and connections are made. A girl who once didn't know her place in the world is now building her own space in it. Networking is not just about meeting people. For me, it's about proving to myself that I belong here. And in between, I pause to be grateful. Even the metro and bus rides feel different to me, and today every journey feels like a privilege. Evenings are for my children, books open, pencil scratching, questions endless. The little ones sit with me too because learning doesn't stop at school, it continues at home. As I sit with my daughter, listening to her recite her hifs, I'm reminded that patience always bears fruit. Every verse she memorizes is not just words, it's a seed for her future, a light that will guide her along after I'm gone. In her voice, I hear hope, and in this moment, I realize the greatest legacy I can give my children is not wealth but faith. And my son learning to read Quran, each syllable shaping his tongue, his faith. Then evenings end in the kitchen, the chopping, the stirring, and the clatter of plates, a rhythm I have lived for years. Dinner is never fancy, but it carries love in every bite. And when I finally place the food on the table, my four children gather around, eating on their own, laughing, sometimes fighting, always filling the room with life. When night falls and the house finally grows quiet, my work doesn't stop. This is when I step into my other role, mentor. Inside DC, I meet students who remind me of who I was once, unsure, and guiding them, answering their question gives me a different kind of strength. My life is not perfect. It's ordinary in so many ways and extraordinary in its resilience. And this is just one of my days. All seven look different, each one planned around my children, my faith, my work. Does my day remind you of yours in some way? Comment below. I would love to know.